Today's message coming through Dodo bird energy is they're saying God frees us of guilt. He does not demand explanations. They said he also alerts us to those who take advantage. They said he enhances our self-awareness, causes low self-esteem and dissatisfaction with life to become extinct. They said he answers your questions of why am I here? Who am I? What is my purpose? They said knowing you have freedom of choice, God immerses into your world, opening and providing new opportunities, turning impossibilities into realities.